Cool. Try and maintain at
We
least
got
900.
your side. We're just gonna continue staying
Let's go
up
ahead
here.
and widen out. Are you inbound to Kalaupapa? We'll widen out a little.
Negative. We're just overflying it. We're going back to Kahului.
Roger. All right, so yeah, widen out a little bit more so your wing doesn't cover the runway. There you go, good. I'm gonna give you full flaps. 4 clicks forward again. Good. Beautiful. All right, so once in a while there's a little bit of a dip on the black rocks before the runway. If you find yourself sinking, just add a little bit of power, okay? All right, cool. And we'll go ahead and we'll start our base. You can bring it to 20% power, start your base leg, and just AOA and runway. Okay, look at the runway, beautiful. Gauge your rate of turn. Good, very nice. Okay, don't worry about speed, just your AOA is perfect. Beautiful. Textbook. 8 Hotel Whiskey turning base. Lower the nose a little bit more. Yeah, we're a little bit high. Let's go to 15% power, lower that nose. Very good. Cool. Nice, looking good. Add a little bit of power now, just a touch. There you go. Lower that nose, couple clicks forward on the trim. Yeah, there you go. Good. Just to get on the right glide path, yeah? Yep. Beautiful. Looking nice. All right. And you can start your base. All right, sorry, your final. Oh, yeah. 8 Hotel Whiskey, turning final. Good. Add a little bit of power now, just a touch. We'll get stabilized on that center line, a little bit more to the right. All right, let's straighten out and get on center.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got plenty of time. I'm just going to take pictures while you take your time. Good. A little bit of power, just a little bit more power as we're getting a little bit low. More power, power. There you go, good. That should do it. Looking good. AOA is nicely in control. 8 Hotel Whiskey, short final, runway 5. A little bit on the low side, let's add a little more power. There's a little bit of downdraft here, and that's just the way the wind is. Good, and then you'll come back once you're on the VASI to about 15%. Good, okay, now 15%, lower the nose a little bit. Good, there you go. A little power, a little bit of power. Nose down, nose down, nose down. There you go, good. Good, a little bit to the right, a little bit more to the right. Now start reducing the power. Good, hold that attitude, just hold that. Okay, all right, a little bit of power, a little bit of power. There you go, good. Now idle, idle, good. Hold that, okay, pull, 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 pull. There you go, good. All right, and full power. Very nice. That got a little funny there on the with crosswind.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I'll even admit that, because that wasn't expected on that cross. But that's what power's for, right?
That's right.
Very nice. Beautiful lighthouse. Getting some great shots of it. We're going to be going top side. It'll be a climbing left downwind. We're going to be going to 1,600 feet.
All right, so turn left. Yep.
Yep. All right, we're going to bring your flaps up 4 clicks back.
Okay.
Very nice. A little bit of right pedal. There's your ball, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Not the other way. There you go. Good. Couple clicks back. Keep it climbing. Very nice. Good. Keep it about 10 degrees pitch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Continue the left turn. Hotel Whiskey, climbing left downwind, switching top side. Okay, so the only thing that I would recommend is you gotta keep that nose down really until you're about 15 feet above the ground. Yeah. The moment you bring it flat or up and you're a little high, you're gonna start losing that energy. So
This feels like when you're coming in, it feels different than like a high wing set.
absolutely.
It's
You have to literally point it down.
Yeah.
Molokai, good afternoon, Cirrus 808 Hotel Whiskey, off the peninsula 1200 for 1600, transition southbound. We're going to start turning a little bit to the left.
Because I'm used to kind of...
Hotel Whiskey, Molokai, start transition southbound, approve, remain east of the field, altimeter 3002. Good afternoon.
Thank you, 8 Hotel Whiskey. All right, switching tanks.
You said 1,600 feet?
Yeah, that'll give us clearance over the reservoir. You'll see it here in a second. Very nice. All right, power to 65%. Stay just to the left of that hill. Gorgeous coastline coming up. 17's fine.
Okay.
No big deal.
Yeah, the angle of attack is a lot different in this than Seminole even. It's,
Yes.
it feels, I was used to having to pull back hard on
Well, also your yes, correct. go a little bit to the left, right over the reservoir.
Okay.
7,000 people live on the island of Molokai. You can see Oahu over there on the right. Okay, I'm just leaning.
Oh yeah. No big deal.
Look at that coastline. That's crazy. Alright, you're going to aim for the pier.
Pier right up there? Okay, yep.
Molokai Tower, friendly 5-2 with Charlie, ready to taxi. Will be a left turn out, North Shore for Maui.
Couple little bumps through here.
Friendly 5-2, Molokai Tower, runway 5, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 17.
5 Alpha, cross 17, friendly 5-2.
It should be actually smoother on that side than this side because the winds are changing today. And we call it the Kona winds because they're coming from Kona. Whenever there's Kona winds, the atmosphere gets a little more unstable. The island of Lanai, straight ahead, that was the largest pineapple plantation for 100 years. They stopped growing pineapple there about 30 years ago, and Larry Ellison, the billionaire, bought the island.
Yeah, the Oracle, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's crazy. Is that his full-time residence?
It is now.
Yeah.
He actually ended up getting COVID, said, I'll just hang out here.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yikes.
Beautiful shot here. You can see Maui, Molokai, Lanai, and Kalaupapa.
25-2, runway 5, cleared for takeoff.
Now we can start a gradual
takeoff,
descent,
25-2.
and we'll go down to 1,000 feet.
All right. What kind of power are we looking at for the nice little light descent?
Yeah, this is fine.
This fine? All right.
Yeah. If it starts to get a little bumpy, we'll go to 50%.
Okay.
And you know, Hotel Whiskey's clear the area.